Baby, wash and clean it up. Foam the bus. Wash the foam off the bus. Wow! It has been washed and cleaned up well.
Let's go, BabyBus. Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light.
Hi, BabyBus.
Hi, Mew Mew. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
Mew Mew is on the bus. Let's go. We're going to pick up another friend. Move the red switch to raise the cutout. There's not enough gas. Fill it up for me, please. We need more gas. Let's go, BabyBus. Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light.
Hi, BabyBus.
Hi, Lulu. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
All our friends are on the bus. Let's go. Next stop is the hospital. We have arrived at the hospital. Let's get a regular checkup.
Let's go get a regular checkup. Measuring weight and height. Kiki's weight, 16 kilograms. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Eyesight test. Move the magnifying glass to look correct. We found the pattern. Correct. We found them all. You have good eyesight.
Thank you.
Hearing test. Listen, what's that sound? Sheep.
Bird.
ECG measurement. Sort them by color. Yes, this is the right place. Click the switch, which is the same color as the body. Yes, you're right. The checkup is finished. Your heartbeat is normal.
We're done with our health checkup. Let's go to kindergarten.
We have arrived at
Hi friends, the new semester has started. Welcome to kindergarten. Please queue up. Let Lulu queue up. Let Hank queue up.
Okay. Bye, BabyBus.
Goodbye, friends. Have fun in kindergarten. I'll pick you up after class.
This is our classroom. It's where we will study. Can you introduce yourself? I'm Miss Maymay.
I'm Mew Mew. I like reading.
I'm Kiki. I like playing with you the most.
I'm Hank. I like soccer.
I'm Lulu. I like dancing.
Kiki, Mew Mew, Hank, Lulu, remember your friends' names. You will be good friends with each other. Let's decorate our classroom. Hang the photos you like on the wall.